Hi there folks, Freaky Tang here. Exhaust update number 60, 120, 100, 50 and 150. Look what I've got. Yes, I have a welded up DB killer. Thank you to everyone who commented on last update and said, you can get that welded up. Shouldn't it cost more than a few quid to get that welded up? They were right. I was wrong. I was concerned that one of these pieces were aluminium and couldn't be welded, but I don't know much about metal clearly. So they were welded. It's kind of steel and stainless steel, all done. It's welded all the way around the inside. You can just about see a bit of that, I think. One of the guys who commented on my last video said, look, this DB killer should actually sit further down in the link pipe. Not near the end. That's why there's no holes basically to bolt it in. So I said, okay, that's a fair point. I'll have a look in the exhaust to see if there's anywhere you can actually put this as it's designed. Unfortunately, there was nowhere for it to sit. I can show you some clips on a video that I made. Yeah, so just to confirm, you can see the servo valve there. No way a DB killer is going to fit in there. A 65 diameter one of these at this end, it could go in here, and where the diameter changes, it could stop at that point there. But the problem I think we've got is I don't think this pipe goes all the way up. I don't think it goes all the way up to this radius change. The length here of this bigger diameter of the pipe is about 46 mil. The length of this pipe from this hard stop here, 33 mil. So even if I found the right DB killer to go in here and stop there, I still have to come up with some sort of spacer at this end to stop it rattling around. So I'm struggling just as much this end as I would be at that end. Just looking down the end of this pipe, it's going to be very hard to see, but they don't fit tight against each other, these two pipes. So there's nowhere in the pipe for this lip to sit for a tight fit. So we're out of luck at this end as well. We should be good to go. Let's get it in the bike. Right then, let's see if it goes in. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put the camera down and I'll be back. Right, sorted. Now the bolt's not pretty. I need a better bolt than that, a better looking one. When the weather improves, I shall be out on the bike, and you'll be pleased to know, if you've seen the last video, the bike is clean again. So thank you to Dave and Luke at Frasers of Gloucester for getting me sorted out. And again, thanks to everyone who said, you could weld that, it should be no trouble. So that's saved me a lot of bother, and that should be pretty damn solid.